Back to the Crazy Boys channel, and today's video we're gonna do something new that we haven't done. Dropping 2 Mentos in the pop. Show them the pop. I know it's not the biggest, but we probably should walk. And let's begin. But before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button. Okay, I got to do this. Oh wait, no, don't. Oh, I'm already. Oh yeah! I only put 1 Mento. Look at that. I wonder if it would still work if I put another one. Apparently it only works with 1, right? Is it going down or up? Wow, that was a... I thought that would be less explosive. I had no clue. I forgot what Mentos can do to pop. Is the Mento at the bottom? Yeah, look, the 2 Mentos are at the bottom. See? See that, guys? Pretty cool. The 2 Mentos. I wonder what happens if you put 10 at a time in the big one. So I'm gonna end this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, and see you guys next time.